to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to connect your Spotify account with Discord. This is an easy process to do because the first thing you need to do is log in your account, like here in Spotify. In the application you need to get open your account, but when you go to Discord, you need to enter in the application, and here in the general page you need to go to the down right part here in the part of your profile. And here in your profile you need to go to the superior right corner in the button of settings, and here in settings you need to pick here in conexiones. In English this is connections. You pick here, and you need, after that you got in a part where you need to create that connection, and here in the superior right corner where it said añadir, this is add a connection. Here you need to select Spotify, and after that you need to open the app, and automatically Spotify create the connection with Discord and him. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.